Hey, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Rafael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about yesterday's trading session. I want to show you why and how I took the trade on Nasdaq that I've shared with all of you for free in my Telegram channel. If you see this video, you're not inside the Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the link in the description down below. Join the free Telegram channel. I share my trading ideas in there. I send you signals. I share my results in there, student results, and I keep you updated about all that good stuff when we have giveaways. Like right now, we're giving away $500 trading capital and the Genius Trader Masterclass course. So yeah, join the Telegram channel. It's beneficial for you. So yesterday, guys, I decided to take a Nasdaq buy position based on the index sniper strategy that we have inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course. And yeah, let's get into the charts and let me show you exactly how and why I took this trade, okay? So here on the left side you see Nasdaq, NDX USD is Nasdaq. In the middle you see the German DAX named DAX Euro, it's the German 40 index. And on the right side you see gold. This is gold, all right? I still got a trade running on gold. Yesterday I closed some beautiful profits on gold. As you can see here, I banged around 9 grand already and the trade is running at 6K. So overall 15K in profit on this trade, which was necessary. I took a couple of losses this week. But yeah, I got all the money back and we are back in profit now. I'm still letting this thing run from yesterday. The gold trade that I took yesterday was based on the extreme zone trading strategy that you are going to learn inside this book over here. The Genius Trader Making Money in Extreme Zones. This is a free strategy that I'm sharing with everybody who drops me a private message on Telegram. So if you're interested to learn something, guys, this book is fully packed with all that knowledge that you need to execute the extreme zone trading strategy. I'm gonna give it to you for free, send you a free PDF. Just drop me a message in Telegram and I'm gonna send it to you. You can check it out, you can test it, you can back test it and all that stuff and see how it works. It's a pretty accurate system and you're gonna love it, especially when you're struggling with trading decisions and all that stuff. This thing will help you. It's based on an indicator that tells you everything you need to do. You just need to stick to the plan and then print money. That's it. So that being said, guys, let's go over to the Nasdaq, guys. This Nasdaq trade yesterday that I took it based on a clean chart. I didn't put any indicator on there. I just marked up my zones based on the index sniper strategy and all that stuff. And now let me show you the market replay function and run a back test through the trade that we took yesterday, okay? Let me run a back test real quick and show you exactly how we took the trade, why I took the trade, and I explain you my thought process behind this trade, all right? So all you got to do to make a market replay, guys, first of all, I don't trade on MetaTrader anymore because I found much more value inside the CTrader platform from OTTmarkets.com. So I'm using OTTmarkets.com, trade with the CTrader platform because I think this thing is so good, guys. I mean, you can make you can automate your trading, you can do copy trading and all that stuff. And what I really love about the platform is here you have a news calendar implemented, so whenever you have a high impact news event, you see when it happens, so you can be aware of it and know that there are probably going to, you're going to see some violent movement coming, so you prepared all the time. Everything is in one platform. And the best thing about this platform, guys, is the market replay function, because this is where you can gain confidence in your strategy and backtest your ideas, backtest your trading strategy to make sure that you are following your trading system and believe in it and execute trades. It's beautiful, guys, and you cannot sleep on that. If you've never did a back test, guys, download the CTrader from OTTmarkets.com, run a back test, test your strategy, see how it works. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works now. You just click the button and then then you can choose where you want to start this back test. You can go back way back in time, weeks, months. You can back test, yeah, through the whole history that is available, all the data that is available in here. You can back test like, yeah, for months and weeks, guys. It's really, really good. So we are going back to yesterday's trading session. Okay, I'm gonna start in here so I'll show you what we had. Let's load the historical market data and run the back tests. First of all, I pause it because when it starts to run, it starts printing candles. Let me put another template on the chart. Guys, if you've set up your chart with like all the colors, indicators and all that stuff that you're using, you should always save a template, because this helps you later on when you do run a back test to load the back test really, really easy. Okay, so I am using my basic purple and green candles in here. Okay, so yeah, we have an account balance on this back test for 100,000. You can choose whatever account size you want to use. Okay, so let me size it up a little bit. So this is what I saw yesterday. We have some data from the day before in here as well. So let me use the trend line to mark up the lows, just so we know where we are. All right, so this is something that we had. These are some levels, some significant highs and lows that I'm marking up. Okay, this is basically how I do it before I start trading. So these are the significant lows, highs and lows that we are working with. As you can see, this was the day before high, of course. This was the day before low, and then we had like end of the session low in here, which was significant in my eyes. Then of course we had like an Asian session high in here, but we don't need to mark that one up because this one got taken out anyways, and it was pretty close to the previous day high, so this is more significant. And yeah, so these are the levels that we are looking at, and overall I was interested in buying a Nasdaq because the last day it was showing us clear signs of that it wants to move to higher highs. So I was interested in buy opportunities, but first of all I want to see people getting stopped out based on the index sniper strategy that you're going to learn inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course. So here on the top left you can click through each and every single candle. You see that? Alright, so I'm going to do that and show you what was happening. Let's wait for a liquidity grab down below this Asian or London session low. I think now this was like London session low, end of the Asian session, somewhere in here. This was session low, session high, okay? And I'm waiting for a sweep of that liquidity. As you can see, now we have even a double bottom. Man, lots and lots of stop orders are sitting down below this one. When I saw this market cap started to fly, I knew they're gonna come back, and I was waiting for that moment. And I want to see this thing come back and then snap back, and that's the way I want to get in, you know. So let's see. Market comes down. Market grabbed the liquidity, as you can see. We got below another time. Okay, boom. This is what I want to see, guys. This is what we want to see. Market broke structure in here, as you can see on the smaller scale. See this? Market came up, came down, and then we broke the structure in here on the 5-minute time frame. So what I wanted to see, guys, this was basically all I wanted to see, and I was ready to get in, jump inside this thing. But yeah, I think I jumped in with straight with a trade. Let's simulate this one. I'm going to buy this one with 10 lots just to show you what is happening. And I had like a pending order sitting down below here, inside that gap that you Not going to talk about the gap now. You're going to learn about this gap inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course, inside the Index Sniper strategy. And then I had my stop sitting somewhere down below in here. Boom. So this was basically my trading setup, guys. And then I just waited for the market to take my order inside. It reacted beautifully to that gap, moved amazing, guys. And then yeah, market was starting to run. And the first significant target was the previous session high, of course. This is where I was able to take some profits off the table. Okay, so this is where I closed like 50% on my position. And then the next significant target in my eyes was 16,800, big figure, even number. Okay, so somewhere in here was my next target, and then another one would have been like around the 900-ish area. Okay, yeah. So let's click through it, see how it runs. Boom, 800 got easily taken out. I'm not able to close like 50% of my left position right now, but yeah, this was a moment where you could have got out again and banked some profits. And then yeah, market came down a little bit. Oh no, I pressed the wrong button for by mistake. Whenever you click the stop button, the market replay function just stops, like it's over. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, but in case that you're running a back test and you press the stop button, it resets. Everything that you achieved during that period is gone. All right, so be careful with this stop button. If you still want to run your back test, don't press stop. Only use play and pause, or just click through the candles, each and every candle, step by step. Okay. So, oh, I forgot to say, guys, yesterday I was loading it up, and I told you guys that I'm going to load it up. When did I load it up? Well, we took an entry in here, and then the market was pushing. We didn't took out this high yet, okay? Market snapped back pretty aggressive, and this was the moment when I decided to step in again, because I was able to move my stop loss in here. So I've reduced my risk on this position, so I was able to get in here again. I forgot to say that, I'm really sorry. But yeah, I took another buy in here, and then I was writing this thing out, okay? And yeah, this is how the trade went, guys. And then overnight, keep moving up, it kept moving up, it kept moving up. You see that? It was just moving up. Let's fast forward this thing. Here on the top right, you can just, if you press the play button, it plays in like 200 times quicker than normal, or 500 times, or 1,000, 2,000, or 5,000. You can choose however you like it, but let's run through it. Alright, so, and this is where we are right now. This is where it stopped. What a beautiful risk-reward ratio, guys. So overall, we had a risk of 400, around let's say 500 pips, okay? And this thing was running until now to 1,700. And we were able to move our stop in here to smaller the risk, and we have loaded up. So overall, we made like a pretty good return of investment on this one. Risk-reward ratio was pretty good. 1,800 on here, it was in profit like 2,140. Like from the basic setup was a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio already, and if we move the stop loss to near break even and load it up, it's much more than a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio from our initial risk. So this was basically how you can run a back test, how you can use the MetaTrader platform. Let me close this thing. Boom. Come on. Oh, I am not able to close it. Wait. Oh, the back test is over. All right. Anyways, we made 22% profit on that trade. No, I'm just kidding. We didn't took that much risk. All right. But yeah, it was a lovely trade, guys. And I hope that some of you have banked on that trade as well. If you have missed out on that one, you're probably not inside the free Telegram channel or inside our inner circle group chat with all the masterclass students. Think about it. It's an opportunity that you can take for 2024. Learn the high-paying skill set of a trader. Just drop me a message. I'm gonna get you introduced to the Genius Trader Making Money in Extreme Zones with the Extreme Zone trading strategy. This is one of our trading systems that we're using. It's very profitable and it's for free. We share it with everybody for free, so just get your hands on this book and you're gonna love it, I know that. And that's it for today. I wish you a lovely trading session. Let's see what we got on the plate, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated, all right? And I see you inside the next video, guys. Make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. I'm going to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass I'm going to give away the Genius Trading Masterclass course with lifetime membership inside the inner circle to one commenter, one random commenter. Okay, so if you drop a comment below this video, you have the chance to get inside the inner circle of our team and learn all our profit trading strategies. And that being said, guys, wish you a lovely day. Take care, stay healthy, wealthy, have a good time, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace!